Hey guys, if you would like to update your Xbox, it's pretty easy. On the top, just go right into your settings. From your settings, scroll down, and you're going to see System. Under System, third option, going to Updates. From Updates, just going to Latest Console Updates, and that's it. If you have any updates, they would be right here. If not, then that means you're all up to date. You're good to go. There's nothing else you need to do. This is where you would do any updates that are available right now for your Xbox. Other than that, once you turn it off and on, usually updates by itself, so you don't have to worry about that. But anyways, from these options, you guys will see this. Keep my console up to date. Keep my games and apps up to date. So that would automatically do the updates for you. You guys can turn these off and on if you're having any issues for that matter. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.